What's going on there, YouTube? Kenny here, also known as SilentFan85. Got another quick tutorial for you when it comes to Xbox Game Pass, and also how you can get technically a trial of Sea of Thieves, a current game that I'm playing here on the channel as of this recording that is pretty popular and people are loving it. I'm playing on PC, but you can also, this also applies to Xbox as well. So PC games that go through the Microsoft Store can be used on a service called Xbox Game Pass if they apply. And so in this case, it does apply. Now, Xbox Game Pass is not Xbox Live. And even though it has Xbox in the title, it is usable on PC as well for PC games that go through the Microsoft Store. Now, think of it this way. Xbox Game Pass is kind of like PlayStation Now, the equivalent of PlayStation Now for PlayStation Now people. It's a service you pay for each month. It's $9.99, and you get access to a lot of games that you can play on your PC or you can play on your PS4. Except Xbox is now on Xbox Game Pass, so it's about the equivalent. But anyway, carrying on, you can actually get a 14-day trial, which again will allow you to sign up for the Xbox Game Pass for 14 days before you're charged the $9.99 a month, and it'll give you access to Sea of Thieves as of right now, Rise of the Tomb Raider, and a slew of other games. I'll go ahead and show you what they are. But all you got to do is there will be a link down below. You can use the website, or you can actually go through the Microsoft Store on Windows. It's an app. Just go into the Microsoft Store. You can type in Xbox Game Pass, and it'll pop up right here. I already own it. So, but what it'll do is it'll bring it up here. It'll say you can buy as a gift, redeem a code, manage because it's a subscription, or share. And then of course this is just a list of the games that are available. From last count, there's well over 100 games here. Well over 100 games. So. And of course, Sea of Thieves, the one we were just talking about, is available right here, which again is free. So, as long as you have a credit card, you will have to have a credit card to sign up for it, especially for the trial. You can try it out and go from there. See if you like it. You can play it on PC. Again, this is for PC games, but it also works for Xbox One games as well. So, anyway, hope you enjoy the tutorial. Hopefully it helps you. Again, there will be a link down below to the Xbox store or the Microsoft store, to where you can find the free trial. I'm not being paid for this, by the way. I'm just trying to help you guys out, and hopefully you found it helpful. Remember, you're awesome. Never let the world tell you otherwise. See ya.